Hello everyone, Jose J with Garcia Mobile Home University here. So we are currently Central Georgia. Came down to review a few more properties, and one in particular I wanted to make a video on, which is this one here. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Two bedroom, 2-bath, single wide. It's a 14 by 70, very spacious, but just doing a review, as you know, we do many of them. A lot of the other ones we already kind of been in and out, and pretty rough. But you know, for the right investor, they can still be invested in, and they can be a great investment. So, you know, ROIs, the numbers are there. The rental rates in the area, check out. Lot rent's not crazy. I think it's $350, which includes trash. And of course, you know, the resident, whenever that time does come to, would be responsible for the water and the trash and the water and the power. So let me go ahead and let me start on this side here. Turn around for y'all. So first bedroom in the back. You know, when you have a 14 by 70, you have a bit of spacious, even though it is only a 2-bedroom, not a 3. You know, you get a little bit more space. Now that's an issue, of course. That is straight to the ground. We can see well the insulation. I don't think you can see very well. And I'm running low on battery, so bear with me. I'm gonna move along a little bit faster than usual. But we go in here into the first bathroom, which, you know, major issues I'm seeing here. You know, you can see from the ceiling it's bubbling down. It has had some water issues. Obviously hasn't been fixed, so that would be one of the first things to address is from the top, get that roofed addressed. But then you have here, you know, this is real lumber, but as you can see, if we walk over onto this side, you have this trash particle board. This is what we don't like. We hate this stuff, to be exact. We hate this stuff here. I mean, even in areas where there's no damages, it just feels soft. I will not understand why they use particle boards, but it does have them here. So my suggestion to any investor, of course, if I was coming in here, whether good, bad, or different, this has to go. And there is a leak in the back as well. You can see there. I can't see it on the ceiling. I think it's been repaired. Yeah, at one point it was not the best of job, but it was addressed. But again, once the particle board gets wet, this is what you have. You can't see very well, but we have a whole wave thing going on there. That's not what you want. So this particle board has got to go. Walking into the kitchen area here now. A little different setup on this one individual mobile home we have. And then you have this. Now, I walked around here. Now, there's no damages on here. So I don't understand what exactly happened here other than this one piece of sheetrock falling. Now you do have mold here, so there's water. There's water you can see there. Somewhere, somehow it is leaking and it needs to be fixed, because that, you know, not a hard fix, but it's definitely an issue. Back here you have the laundry area. You got the, see an accordion door, so it's kind of a nice little setup. You can have your washer dryer and kind of enclose them in, so not always that visual. Going into the back bedroom, and once again we're back to the cracked floor, so this stuff has got to go. You know, even if it's solid right now, it's a matter of time. You get enough moisture, anything wets it, this floor is as good as gone. This is what you want to see, and I show this in many videos. You know, no tampering with. You have all the breakers there, everything's intact, and you know, it checks out. That's what I want to see. I don't want to open this thing or it be open and all the wires are pulled out. That's, you know, you don't care for that. I love this. This is beautiful. Data plate. So easy to remove and paint over. Another thing I want to understand about mobile homes is why they do it so easily like this. You figure they have a laminate or something so that we can keep, because you got so much value information here, from wind zone where the home can or can't be. You know, it just depends whether there's a wind zone 1, 2, or 3, zone 4. This here you're going to find wind zone 1s. We're in Central Georgia, so wind zone 1s is about what you can find. You'll run into a wind zone 2 from time to time, but you know, it's no need in this area. Second bathroom. This is the master bathroom. Double sink. And I don't like the way the toilet is sitting. I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but it's kind of leaning, which means the floor is probably soft on the back. Something to definitely check into. All right, so that does it. Central Georgia. You know, there's about 5 properties here. The park is ready to let investors come in, our students come in. So if you are interested in these, you know, let us know. That these are all single wides that we have available. Let me walk outside, show you the outside of it as well. I actually have a student coming down here in about an hour, so he was already going to go ahead and walk in and check them out and decipher if it's something he wants to invest in. So, but there it is. Metal on metal. These are probably one of my favorites easier to repair, materials cheaper. You know, if the roof is easy to go in and reseal instead of trying to put new shingles, replace it, etc. All right, so that is it. Reach out to me, jay@garciamhu.com. If you have any questions, any suggestions, any way I can help you, visit our site at Garcia MHU for coaching programs. And if you see me on the road, wave, stop me, say hello. Till next time, thank you for watching.